Hello, my name is Carrie. Thanks for checking out my poster here at the Poster Gallery. The title of my poster is A Sleepy Solution, and it's all about how sleep impacts the brain and learning. In my abstract, I talk about how we all need a healthy amount of sleep, and during rapid eye movement sleep, the hippocampus creates new neurons, and this is vital for long-term memory. I also discuss how children, especially young adults, need a longer amount of sleep, and how educators and administrators should consider later start times to accommodate for the sleep these growing brains need. In this box, The Brain During Sleep, I briefly discuss how the chemistry of the brain kind of generates new cells during sleep, and it really distills and consolidates information that has been marked as important to the long-term memory. Then we get into how teens need more sleep down here. Oops, there we go. And let's see if I can move this down. There we go. On average, teens need around 9 hours of sleep a night, but they get much less generally. They actually have a different brain chemistry as they get older, and it actually makes them stay up later. And the best solution is just creating later start times for these teens, because then we won't be interrupting those vital few hours of sleep in the morning when they are in their deep sleep. And then this final box here, just kind of a conclusion for teachers and administrators to take note of the benefits of later start times. Teens get more sleep, attendance rates increase, lower dropout rates, standardized test scores increases, mental health improvement, lower drug use, lower suicide rates, and lower traffic accident rates. So these are all, connections between the brain and sleep and how it can help administrators. Thank you so much.